If you're watching this, chances are you're a beginner UI/UX designer and these complex design processes get you confused. In this video, I'm going to share my simple approach to creating complex user flows. So, let's say you're fresh out of research, or you probably have data from a user experience researcher, and it's time for you to create user flows for your product using the insights and data gotten from user experience research. At this point, you want to have three things handy. You want to have your user story, you want to have your information architecture, and also your overall documentation so far. It's okay if you have just the user story and your documentation. Remember, most steps in the UI/UX design process are non-linear. You can always go back and forth to tweak things when required. With the data gotten from my user experience research, my first approach will be to create task-based flow, and this is where the secret lies. So moving on, I have an example of a user story here, and this tab on my user story says, as a new user, I would love to sign up for an account. So let's create a flow for the user to sign up for an account. For this project, which was, by the way, a Boss app, in order to create an excellent experience for the user while using the product, I will need them to first allow location access and, of course, push notifications. After creating this user flow, a successful sign-up process will definitely take us to the home page where the user wants to perform other high priority tasks. I'll go on to create user flows independently for various tasks and link them where necessary. In the end, all these small bits of user flows are what are going to come together to make up our complex user flow. If by any chance you do not understand any of the UI/UX design process, the comment section is always open, and I will be more than glad to give you feedback as soon as possible. And also, you can follow me or subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post valued contents like these ones, you'll get a notification. My name still remains Bright Izion, and I hope to see you in subsequent videos, and peace.